Wala ng immigrants na maging UE citizen. Ito yung bagong law.
Donald Trump has all the power in the United States and do what he wants and sign all executive orders. Will not allow more migrants to marry U.S. citizens, become residents, and will look for a way to take away all the people who obtained the opportunity to become residents. Is now going to sign a new executive order to take away the right of individuals who marry an American citizen. He will not be able to obtain citizenship because he is married, as Donald Trump has said that many marry just to be residents, and then they separate. As of this new executive order, all migrant applications are canceled. Now, people are at risk of no longer being able to leave the country. ICE will visit them for...
Yung mga immigrants na hindi pa UE citizen, hindi na sila maging UE citizen. At yung mga mag-asawa ng mga AFAM, wala na yun. Hindi na pwede yun.